After multiple teasers and a clear-as-daylight leaked image, the all-new Renault Koleos showed up to the 2016 Beijing Auto Show sporting a seriously familiar figure. Judging by the design elements alone, the new Koleos fits right in with the all-new Megane, the new Talisman and the Kadjar, except that unlike the latter, the Koleos is a fully-fledged D-segment SUV. As far as China is concerned, the second-generation Koleos will serve as Renault's flagship crossover, but eventually it will be launched in 80 markets worldwide, where the French automaker will probably still favor the Talisman as their flagship car. In terms of features, the all-new Koleos comes with full LED headlights and taillights, 19 inches wheels, a linked to multimedia system, Bose premium sound system and a heated steering wheel. Safety systems such as active emergency braking, lane departure warning, safe distance warning, blind spot warning, traffic sign recognition, tiredness detection, easy park assist, rear view camera and automatic high, low beam headlights are also included, depending on which version the customer chooses. Renault is also promising class-leading room inside the all-new Koleos, making it hard for us to think that they're bluffing, seen as how the car is indeed longer and wider than the X-Trail, which is already one of the roomiest SUVs in its segment.